Dear students, today my class is 7th class Maths chapter 10 Algebraic Expressions exercise 10.1. Before going to this class, kindly subscribe King Classroom for Maths and Computer online classes. And also type in YouTube search DSN Raju classes. My channel will be appear. So coming to the class, 7th class Maths chapter 10 Algebraic Expressions exercise 10.1. Now first problem. Get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operators. Subtract of z from y. Like that 8 problems is given. Each one we will solve now. Solution. First one, subtract of z from y minus z. This is the solution. Okay. 1 half of the sum of numbers x and y. 1 half means 1 by 2. Sum of x and y means x plus y. So 1 and half into x plus y. Okay. Third problem, the number z multiplied by itself. The number z multiplied by itself means z into z, that is equals to z square. Fourth one, 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. 1/4 of the product. 1/4 means 1 by 4. Product of p and q. P into q. That is equal to pq. 1/4 pq. 1 by 4 into pq. Numbers, fifth problem, numbers x and y both squared and added. Numbers x and y both squared and added. So squared means x into x plus y into y. Added is the addition. So x square plus y square is the expression. Fifth problem, number 5 added to 3 times the product of the numbers m and n. 3 times 5 added to 3 times 3m into n. 3m and 3n. So that is equals to 5 plus 3mn. So this is the expression. Sixth problem, product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So product of y and z, y into z, subtracted from 10. 10 minus y into z, that is equals to 10 minus yz is the expression. Seventh problem, sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their products. Sum of numbers a and b subtracted their products. So subtracted their products a and b minus sum is equals to a plus b. That is equal to a and b is the product and minus subtraction is the minus, a plus b is the sum. Okay. Second problem. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by tree diagrams. Okay. Here identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions in the tree format. Ax minus 3b 1 plus x square, like that. F, G, H problems is there. Okay. First one, A. Solution 1, x minus 3. Term is x, minus 3 is minus 3 and the factor terms is x comma minus 3 and the factor is equals to x comma minus 3. So x minus 3 is equals to x minus 3 separated. X how many times? 1 time. So minus 3 minus 1 into 3. Okay, like that tree format. 1 plus x square, 3 terms, 1 x square. Factors also 1 comma x into x. X square means x into x. So here 1 plus x square is equal to 1 can be written in 1 1 and x can be written in x into 1 and x square can be written in x into x square x. So third problem, y minus y cube. 2 times y minus y comma y minus y cube and factors is equals to y comma minus 1 into y into y into y, that is equals to y minus y cube is equals to y can be written y comma 1 and y minus y cube can be written minus y minus 1 y 3 y's. Okay. D, 5x 5x y square plus 7x square y. Term 5x y square comma 7x square y. Factors 5 comma x comma y and 7 x comma y. So 5x y square plus 7x square y can be written 5x square 5x y square 5 comma x comma y and 7x square y 7x y. Okay. E minus AB comma AB plus 2b square minus 3a square. Terms, three terms, minus AB one term plus 2b square is one term minus 3a square is another term. Factors minus a comma b, second one 2 comma b minus 1 3 comma a, third one. So minus a b plus 2b square minus 3a square is equals to minus ab is equals to minus 1 a comma b. 2b square is equal to 2b minus 3a square is equals to minus 1 3a. Here also we can write minus 1 comma a. Okay. Fourth, second problem. Identification of terms and factors in the expression given below. Factors is defined as the numbers we can multiply together to the another numbers. Factors is defined as numbers we can multiply together to get another number. First, serial number solution. Serial number expression terms factors. A minus 4x plus 5 terms minus 4x comma 5. Factors minus 4 comma x 5. B minus 4x plus 5y terms 2 terms minus 4x plus 5y. Factors minus 4 comma x 5 comma y. My C 5y plus 3y square terms 5y comma 3y square is the two terms. Factors 5 comma y 3 comma y is the factors. D x plus xy plus 2x square plus 2x square y square. Xy is the term, 2x square y square is the term. X comma y is the factor. 2 comma x y comma y is the factors. E pq plus q, two terms, pq and q. P comma q q. F 1.2 into AB minus 2.4 into B plus 3.6 into A. Terms, three terms, 1 point plus 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. Factors minus 1.2 comma A comma B and minus 1 into 2.4 into B plus 3.6 into A comma A. G 3 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 into x is the term, 1 by 4 is the other term. Factors 3 by 4 comma x 1 by 4. H 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square is the terms. 0.1 in comma p, 0.2 comma q. Third problem. Identify the numerical coefficients of terms other than constants in the following expressions. 5 minus 3t square. Second problem 1 plus 2t plus t square plus t cube. Like that 9 problems is there. Solution. Identifying the numerical coefficients of terms other than constants in the following expressions. First expression. Minus 3 is the quotient of t square. Minus 3 is the quotient of 3 square. 1 comma 1 and 1 are the quotient of t comma t square comma and t cube. This one. 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, and the second one 1, 2 and 3 are the coefficients of x comma xy and y. This one 1 comma 2 comma 3. 3y because coefficient is 3. Here coefficient is 3 and this is the coefficient 2. Here x means 1 is the coefficient. Okay, 1x means x, like that. 100m plus 1000m, that is equal to 100 and 1000 are the coefficient of m and n. The next one minus p square q square plus 7 pq, minus 1 and 7, this is the 7, this is the minus 1 of the coefficients of p square q square and pq. My sixth problem 1.2 a g plus 0.8 b. So 1.2 and 0.8 are the coefficients of a and b. Minus 3.4 3.14 r square. 3.14 is the coefficient of r square. 2 and 2 are the coefficient of L and B. This is the 2 into L into B. L plus B is 2L plus 2B. So that is equals to 2 and 2 are the coefficient of L and B. Ninth problem 0.1 y plus 0.01 y square. That means coefficient is 0.1 and 0.01 are the coefficient of y and y square. Fourth problem. Identify the terms which contains x and given the coefficient of x. Identify the terms which contains x and give the coefficient of x. Here, fourth problem y square x plus y. This is the term, and coefficient is what? Y square is the coefficient. And second one 3y square minus 8yx. This is the term 3x containing 3yx. So coefficient is 8y, like that. So solution, identify the terms which contain x, give the coefficient of x. So term containing x is equals to y square x, and the coefficient of x is y square. That second, the term containing x is equals to minus 8yx. The coefficient of x is equals to minus 8y. Third problem, the term containing x is equals to x and the coefficient of x is equals to 1. There is no number is there, so 1 is the coefficient. The term containing x is equals to zx. Here zx, fourth problem. So the coefficient of x is equals to z, this one. The term, fifth problem, the term containing x is equals to x comma xy. This one, this is also and this is also. So the coefficient of the x in both terms is 1 comma y. Sixth problem, the term containing x is equals to 12x minus y square. 12x y square. This one. The coefficient of the x is 12y square. And last 7x plus xy square. This is also two terms. The terms containing in x is equal to 7x comma xy square. The coefficient of x in both terms is 7 comma y square. Now B problem. Now B. So here identify the terms which containing y square and give the coefficient of y square. Here the first one, the term containing y square is equals to minus xy square. This one minus xy square. Y square term contains xy square. So coefficient is x. Coefficient of y square is minus x. The term containing y square is 5y square. Second problem. This one 5y square plus 7x means the term is y square is 5y square. And the coefficient of the x, coefficient of the y square is 5. The term containing y square is equals to 15x minus 15xy square comma 7y square. Here minus 15xy square and 7y square. Because the term means y square, we have to quotient, find the quotient. The quotient of the y square in the both terms is minus 15x and comma 7. 7 is the quotients. Classify fifth problem. Classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. Okay. Expressions. For y minus 7z. Here only one expression is there, that is monomials. Two expression is there, that is binomials. Three expressions is there, that is trinomials. Okay. Solution. Monomials are the expressions having single term in the most simplified form. Okay. Binomials are the expressions having exactly two terms in the most simplified forms. Trinomials are the expressions having exactly three terms in the most simplified forms. Classifying the given expressions into monomials, binomials and trinomials. Now, first one. 4y minus 7z binomials. Two terms is there. Y square, second one, monomials. Three terms is there, third problem. X plus y minus xy, trinomials. 100 monomials. Fifth problem, ab minus a minus b, trinomials. Sixth problem, 5 minus 3t, binomials. Seventh problem, 4p square q minus 4p q square, binomials. Eighth problem, 7mn monomials. Z square minus 3z plus 8, trinomials. A square plus b square, binomials. Z square plus z, binomials. 1 plus x square, trinomials. Sixth problem, state whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike terms. These like terms or unlike terms we have to find out. Solution. Let's define like and unlike terms before proceedings. Like what is like term and unlike term, we have to define that. Like terms are those terms whose variables and their exponent power are the same. Variables and exponent powers are the same. Variables and their exponents are powers are the same. The quotient of these variables can be different. Quotient may be different. Okay. Unlike terms are those terms whose variables and their exponents are different from the each other. Okay. First one, 1 comma 100 like terms, because they don't have exponents also, so 1 is the exponent, so they are like terms. Minus 7x, 5 by 2 x, like terms, because x has x to the power of 1 and x is this one, x to the power of 1. Coefficients are different, minus 5 and minus 7 and 5 by 2 are different. Okay. Third problem, minus 29x minus 29y, unlike terms, as they have different variables, here x and here y. Okay. 14xy, 42yx, like terms, because here also xy, here also xy, and exponents are also same, one exponents. 4m square p, 4mp square, unlike terms, since the powers on the variables are different. Okay. 12xy and 12x square y square, unlike terms, since the power on the variables are different. Identify seventh problem. Identify the like terms in the following. This is very easy to find out. Two problems is there. A minus x square, like that, this is the full expression, and b is also 10 or 12 expressions is there. Like terms and unlike terms we have to find out. Like term definition. Like, let's define like and unlike terms before proceeding. Again I am saying here, like terms are those terms whose variables and their exponent powers are the same. The quotient of these variables can be different. Okay. Like variables, like terms. Unlike terms are those terms whose variables and their exponents are different from each other. Okay, like terms in a minus x square y square to xy square, minus x y square comma 2 xy square. Second one, minus 4 xy square 20 x square y, like this, minus 4 y x square minus 4 to 20 x square y. These are the like terms because y is here and y is here, x square is here and x square is here. Okay, like that I am giving the solution here directly. Xy square comma minus 11 x square comma minus 6 x square, 7y 7y minus 100x 3x minus 11yx comma 2xy. Like terms are 10 pq minus 7 qp and 78 qp. We have to 10 pq, 10 pq and minus 7 qp and this one 78 qp. These are p and q are exponents and powers also same. Like this, 7p 2405p 8q minus 100q minus pq p square q square comma 12 q square p square 23 minus 23 41 minus pp 5p square and 701 p square 13 p square q and q p square. This is the solutions for 10.1 exercise. Thank you to completely watch. Thank you students. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the